Get a free solution of advanced ceramics. Composed mainly of high-purity aluminum oxide, ATCERA Alumina Rods exhibit unmatched hardness, thermal stability and porous structure, providing an ideal solution for high-temperature operations, wear-resistant components and efficient separation technologies. The primary characteristic of ATCERA Alumina Rods is their excellent hardness, which, as one of the hardest materials found in nature, ensures excellent wear resistance in extreme wear environments, such as abrasive delivery systems or high-speed cutting tools. ATCERA Alumina Rods resist wear, maintain structural integrity and extend service life. This feature not only reduces maintenance costs, but also improves the overall operating efficiency of the equipment. In high-temperature applications, the thermal stability of ATCERA Alumina Rods is particularly outstanding. It can withstand extremely high temperatures without loss of structural strength, making it ideal for key components such as kiln appliances and high-temperature furnace insulation. In addition, its excellent thermal shock resistance enables the alumina rod to maintain no deformation and no cracking in the face of rapid temperature changes, which is undoubtedly an important guarantee for extending the service life and ensuring operation safety for industrial equipment. The porous structure of ATCERA Alumina Rods is another highlight. These interconnected pores promote the efficient flow of gases and liquids, making alumina rods the preferred material in filtration and separation processes. By precisely controlling the porosity in the manufacturing process, engineers can optimize the performance of alumina rods for specific applications, which opens up a wider range of potential applications, from improving equipment durability to optimizing processes. ATCERA Alumina Rods are not only an outstanding achievement in materials science, but also a powerful driving force for industrial innovation and development. Contact ATCERA right now.